Now students, today we are going to learn about angles. Look at these images. What are these images? What are we looking at? Yes, we are looking at the angles. Today we are going to learn many things about them. An angle is a space between two intersecting lines merging from same point. That point is called vertex. If you look around, we are surrounded by many angles like this clock and the handles moving of the clock and this ice cream. All these are the examples of angles. Now most important of these angles are the right angle. The right angle measure 90 degree. The tiny zero above says or indicate the degree of the angle. Now the angle which is of 90 degree is called right angle. Right angles is very important because other angle like acute angle which is less than 90 degree. And these are the other example of acute angle. Now take the example of obtuse angle. Obtuse angle are more than 90 degrees. These are the some examples of obtuse angles. Now we have to see how to measure the angle. This is called the protractor. Take the protractor above the angle, that line on the vertex, the another arm of the angle where it shows says the degree of the angle. Here the degree is 70. Yes, it is so easy to measure the angle. Now the other thing are some other angles which we will measure. This is 90 degree, so this angle is right angle. And now the angle which measure less than 90 degree is called acute angle. This one is acute angle and the measurement of acute angle will be anything but less than 90, here 45. Now the angle which is more than 90 degree is obtuse angle. And it could be more than 90 degree. And now see the definition of the angles. Right angle. An angle which is of 90 degree is called right angle. Now see the definition of acute angle. An angle which is smaller than right angle is called an acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle.
Notebook. So let's open your test book, page number 1 of maths test book and your notebook. First, I have explained you in video that how to make an angle. Near your surrounding, if you will see that here between the ground and the slide, you can see an acute angle. Here I have marked, you can see this mark, an acute angle. Second picture again, if you will see that ladder makes an angle with the ground and that also an acute angle. You can see this red mark. Third picture again, with the branches and tree trunk, you can see the acute angle. You can see your red marks. Here again, with the help of this electrical pole and the ground, this is a right angle. You can see with this red mark. So what you have to do, you have to collect some pictures in which you can see angles and mark those angles using a pencil like this. I will show you one example where I have seen the angles. This is a scissor. With this help of scissor, I will show you the right angle. this is 90 degree, and this is called as a right angle. When I will reduce the size of this scissor, you will see the acute angle less than 90 degree. Same, when I increase the size of this angle, this scissor, you will see the obtuse angle. Same way, what you have to do, you have to collect, you have to see nearby your surrounding and collect some pictures in which you can see the angles and make those angles. This is your work. First work you have to do. Not in a notebook, but question number second, what you have to do with that, you have to do in your notebook. So open your maths notebook and see like this. Give heading, geometrical figures, write down today's date, and heading write down right angle. Neat, very neat and clean heading with underline. You can underline with the pencil. Here I have underlined with red pen, but you underline with the with the pencil, and that also in neat and clean handwriting. Now what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and a scale. With the help of this pencil and scale, you have to draw this angle. First, you will see any measure, like suppose 5 cm or 6 cm here. Make a straight line with the help of this pencil. Again here you have to draw a straight standing line, 5 cm or 6 cm, whatever. Then put an arrow with the help of pencil, and with pen you will draw here a box and write down 90 degree, because this is a right angle making a 90 degree by joining two lines, standing line and slipping line. Now the explanation part is, an angle whose measurement is 90 degree is called a right angle. This way you have to write in very neat and clean handwriting, one page, one angle. This is first angle. Now second angle, that is an acute angle. Next page you have to write down today's date, second number, and acute angle. Same way, with the help of pencil and scale, you have to draw one slipping line like this, 6 cm or 5 cm. Put an arrow. Again, less than, this is 90 degree, but you have to make less than 90 degree. Any measure you can take here, this way, this, any measure. I have taken here like this. Put an arrow, put a curve here and write less than 90 degree. Now after drawing this neat and clean handwriting, leave 1-2 lines, keep a gap between these so that it will look beautiful. Now start with a capital letter, write down an angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay, very neat and clean handwriting, one page, only one angle. You have to first write down the heading, then you have to draw, then you have to write the explanation part. Now third page, write down again today's date, write down the heading and obtuse angle. Same, you have to take again pencil and scale, draw slipping line here 5 to 6 cm, put an arrow, take more than 90, this is 90 degree, but you have to take more than 90 degree, you can say anyway here, more than 90 degree. Now put cross here and write more than 90 degree. So what, after drawing this, you have to leave 1-2 lines and you have to write the explanation part, that is an angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Very neat and clean handwriting. You have to write this in third page, write down today's date and neat and clean. Thank you. Have a good day.